What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to That Sounds Terrible. On today's sound check, we're going to take another look at the Parks Custom Pedals DagonOD. Now, Parks is a great dude, and in my last review, I said I was going to order my Dagon, and I did, and Parks was super awesome. He was really nice enough to hook me up with my own custom one. So, being that it's based on the Klon, I just thought it would be fun to do something different. And a unicorn is mythical, the Klon is mythical, and blah, blah, blah. So, the camera doesn't really show it that well, but there's an absolute, let me see if I can pull it up, maybe you guys can see it. Absolute beautiful sparkle white finish. It's kind of got like an opal, kind of opal-esque kind of thing to it. There's a little bit of gold in it. So you gotta rotate. You can kind of see the gold a little bit better here on the back. I'm not sure if it's quite picking up that well. Nevertheless, super awesome. It looks fucking fantastic in person. Let me see if I can get this fixed on the close enough. We also did a purple LED. I'm not sure if that quite shows up. Yep, so there you go. Anyways, thanks again, Parks. The pedal is amazing. So what today, we're just gonna run it into the JCM 900. We're gonna run it through that, run it into the ISO cab with the V30 and the creamback. Heavy 75 with the Lewitt MTP 440 and the Shure SM57. And we'll use the Ibanez. We'll go with the V-Blade, the Dark Moon pickups. We have the Nemesis in the bridge and the Death Valley in the neck. So we will run through those and we'll just kind of noodle around and we'll go from there. All right, let's go. There you go. The Parks Custom Pedals DagonOD. Again, it is a absolutely beautiful pedal. The aggressiveness that this thing can push out is just fucking lovely. Really enjoy the way it sounds with the JCM 900. I really enjoy the way it sounds with the Mesa. I'm going to throw it in front of the KTR or the KR 100 later on. We'll do another sound check some other time. But again, check out Parks Custom Pedals, man. They fucking killed it with this. Well, Parks, he killed it with this. So anyways, check them out. We'll talk to you guys later.